Tell us about what you're doing.
So we're gonna strap you guys on this truck and take you around the neighborhood to get the mail and see what we've got, and then we'll take it back with you guys running on the truck. First, we need to put this on here so we can put you guys on it. Okay, so you see this red thing? You have to pull it off. Okay, I need to find the space. Sticky part isn't that? Stick on. Right. Okay.
Need a hand?
Maybe.
Get it started.
It's not doing anything.
Do you want to talk to the camera some?
So, while Daddy does that little thing, we're gonna film, maybe do some other stuff and talk together. So,
What other
if you
videos?
have like a vehicle for kids that you can drive, like this, then you know what I mean then. If you have like a kid driving car or truck like this. So you know what I'm talking about then. So you guys will know what we're doing. Why are you doing that? Oh, knife. Why did you use the knife?
Trying to get this started.
Oh,
okay, now we're starting.
Here, Daddy. Okay, it's still got. Oh, here. Red thing. Bye, red thing.
All right, get it lined up right in the middle. That's a good spot. Okay, we're gonna start the video again.
Okay, so we're gonna try to get you guys on.
Stop it so we're not rattling it.
everything for the walk. So now we're going to do something, and then we'll do the little video. So let's go in the backyard.
Go in the back.